morning, students. Today we are going to study history. Chapter name is The Indian Subcontinent and History. Last year you have studied human being was totally depend on environment. Gradually changes occurred in the lifestyle of the early man and his technology. Last year, we seen the human civilization from Stone Age to agricultural civilization. Agricultural civilization flourished on the bank of rivers. Students, tell me what is meant by history? Yes, history is a current account of the significant past events. History keeps record of past events. Tell me on what basis history is written. Here are major four pillars of history: time, place, society, and individuals. We cannot build a house without pillars, same as we cannot write history without these four pillars. From these components, place is related to geography. In this sense, history and geography are inseparable. History gets influenced by geographical conditions in many ways. Our diet, clothing, housing, and occupation are depend upon geographical condition. In hilly areas, it is more difficult to live than that of people on the plains. In hilly regions, it is difficult to get vegetables and grains. Naturally, it affects on diet of the people. In hilly region, people depend on hunting. Also, there is a variation in houses as per region. We find other such differences in the lifestyle of people. Sources of our livelihood are climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora and fauna. With their support, lifestyle and culture of region develops. Human settles wherever the means of living are plentiful. Over a period of time, settlement develops further into villages and towns. But due to the degradation of environment, drought, invasions, etc., led to scarcity of those means. People are forced to leave their settlements and towns. Villages became deserted. There are so many such examples in history. Thus, we have seen that there is a very close relation between history and geography. Let us recall history. History is a current account of significant past events in the progress of human culture. Pillars of history: time, place, society, and individuals. Geographical conditions and history. Place is related to geography. History is influenced by geography. Geographical conditions affects on our diet, clothing, housing, occupation and all human life. Differences in human life due to geographical conditions. People in hilly region. Strenuous life, Non-fertile land, scarcity of vegetables and grains depends on hunting and gathering food. People in plain region, easy life, much fertile land get sufficient vegetables and grains. But sometimes reasons like degradation of environment, drought, invasion, etc. led to the scarcity. So people forced to leave their settlements and villages and towns become deserted. Thus, there is a close relation between geography and history.